Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your AdSense account is fully approved and your mailing address is verified. This unlocks payments. Next, go to Payments and add or confirm your payment profile. Enter your legal name, bank account number, and currency. Once done, choose a payment threshold, typically $100, so you know when funds release. Make sure the name on your bank account matches AdSense exactly. Mismatches cause holds. Now you have the basics set and can proceed to link a method. You now select and link a payment method. Pick ACH or local EFT when available for lower fees, or wire for international payouts. Enter precise bank routing, account number, and if needed SWIFT/BIC codes. Errors here delay payments. Once you submit, Google usually sends microdeposits or a test transfer. Check your bank statement for those amounts and enter them back into AdSense to confirm. After verification completes, your method becomes active, and AdSense will queue payments once threshold and cycle rules are met. To finish, review the payments page to see your balance, upcoming payment date, and transaction history. Payouts follow a monthly cycle once you pass the threshold. Make sure tax info and identity verification are complete and that your address PIN was entered. Any hold will stop funds. If a payment is missing after the scheduled date, double-check bank processing times, then contact AdSense support with payment ID and screenshots. A proactive follow-up solves most issues. Don't wait, escalate with evidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.